In this quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to add a new page to WordPress, and I am going to assume that you are one of my students and you've already watched previous videos and you have the Elementor plugin already installed and activated. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to come to our dashboard, and under pages, there's two ways we could do it. One, we could click on add new page over here, or I could click on pages, get to this page, and I could click add new page up here. So let's do that. I've just clicked on add new page, and it will take us to a very basic editing place, and we are going to add a title. What do we want this page to be called on our menu? So whatever title I put here is what will show up on the menu once I've mapped this page to the menu. Say for this one I'm going to just say sample page, and then I'm going to publish and publish. It's not mapped yet, so people can't find it unless they had the direct address, but I find it easier to have this out of draft mode and have everything live but not mapped to it. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is click on Edit with Elementor, and with this you can look at another tutorial to see how we do our editing in Elementor. I just simply wanted to make sure you knew what to do as you're creating this new page. And it's coming up. The internet's a little bit slow today. Very slow today. There we go. Alright, so this is up here, and now you would start adding your various elements in here. And after you've added your various elements, we would click update. But one of the first things I'm going to do before I add too much, I'm going to go down to the settings down here, and I'm going to pick a page layout. My personal preference is Elementor full width because I like to have images or videos that will be the full width of the website, and that's the best template for that. And let me go back into here. The other thing that I like to hide a title. It's not loading it right now, but it should have sample kind of showing up here. But if we say hide title, it will not show that. Okay, so we are now going to update. And once it's updated, I'm going to leave. I'm going to exit. And I just want to show you what you would do next time when you want to get to this page to edit in Elementor. So we're just going to go to pages, all pages, and you see now we have sample here. And if I wanted to edit the title, I wanted to call it something other than sample, I would click on this edit button. But if I want to edit the design of it, I would click edit with Elementor. And last, sometimes I like to make a duplicate of a page if I want to test something out. And so there's a plugin, a duplicator plugin, which is just where you can duplicate one page. And if I do this, then I could kind of protect my original sample page and have made a copy or a draft of it, and then I can try doing something maybe wild and crazy and see if I like it. And if I don't, then I still have my original ready, and I can just delete this one. Alright, that's all about setting up new pages in WordPress.